Now, every time we ask an AI model a question, a data center somewhere has to answer it. The bigger the AI becomes, the more of those buildings start to matter. Uttar Pradesh has noticed that. But before we actually unearth or break ground on what is that one wonderful development, I'll please request you to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. The Uttar Pradesh cabinet, chaired by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, has approved the state's new data center policy 2026. Now, the number certainly is more than 2 lakh crore rupees in fresh investment, replacing the expired 2021 framework. The new policy is laser focused on the future. It aims to add a massive 2 gigawatts of data center capacity, actively positioning Uttar Pradesh as a globally competitive, green, and AI-ready technology hub. Now, according to IT and Electronics Minister Sunil Sharma, the policy places a very heavy emphasis on GPU-based infrastructure and energy-efficient facilities. Now, to sweeten the deal, the state is offering dedicated AI compute booster support and specific benefits for green data operations. Now, alongside special incentives for development in the Bundelkhand and Purvanchal regions. Now, the economic ripple effect of this massive infrastructure push will be highly visible on the ground. The policy is projected to generate around 7,500 long-term direct jobs and up to 50,000 short-term roles during the construction phase alone. Now, this builds directly on the momentum of the previous policy, which already saw over 21,000 crore rupees invested across 7 currently operational projects. Now, the government wants to scale that success to attract top-tier IT companies and transform the state's entire digital ecosystem. And now, of course, here is the front page take. Now, as artificial intelligence adoption explodes across industries, the demand for Tier 3, Tier 4 and GPU-heavy data centers is, well, honestly going through the roof. Now, by aggressively incentivizing green and AI-ready infrastructure, Uttar Pradesh isn't just planning for tomorrow. I feel it is actively maneuvering to become the undisputed stronghold of India's digital future. Now, with prior support from institutions like the World Bank and enterprises like Oracle, the question here now is, how far will this new 2 lakh crore rupees investment push Uttar Pradesh towards being the undisputed tech hub of North India? And are green data centers the ultimate solution to AI's massive energy consumption? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.